Hey gearheads! Today we're getting rowdy with the Yamaha MT-10, a machine that's all about raw power and stripped-down aggression. Forget wind protection, this bike's all about feeling the wind whip through your hair and maybe propelling you towards the next corner at warp speed. Performance. Under the hood, or should I say the tank, lies a beastly 998cc, cross-plane crank engine. This powerhouse delivers a surge of acceleration that'll pin you to the seat. Unlike some superbikes that are peaky at higher revs, the MT-10's magic lies in its usable, mid-range grunt. It's like having a muscular boxer that throws powerful punches you can actually control. Yamaha hasn't forgotten safety though. A full suite of electronic rider aids keeps a watchful eye, including traction control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS. These features are like a guardian angel, letting you unleash the power without unnecessary fear. Design. The MT-10 screams attitude. The naked design exposes the muscular engine and frame, creating a look that's both intimidating and undeniably cool. The riding position is more upright compared to a full-on race bike, making it comfortable for aggressive street riding but maybe not ideal for long highway stretches. One thing to note, comfort isn't the MT-10's top priority. The minimalist design means no wind protection, so hold on tight. Unique selling points. Now, what makes the MT-10 stand out? Well, this bike bridges the gap between a brutal street fighter and a capable track machine. The suspension is fully adjustable, allowing you to fine-tune the handling for your riding style. Whether you're carving canyons or hitting the racetrack, the MT-10 can adapt. Another cool feature is the quick shifter. Imagine blasting through gears with just a flick of your ankle, no clutch needed. It adds a whole new level of excitement to the ride. Who is this bike for? The Yamaha MT-10 isn't for the faint of heart. It's a motorcycle for experienced riders who crave exhilarating performance and a raw, connected riding experience. If you want a comfortable touring companion, look elsewhere. But if you want a thrill machine that devours corners and begs to be pushed, the MT-10 might be your perfect match. Outro. So, are you ready to unleash your inner beast? The Yamaha MT-10 is waiting. Let us know in the comments what you think of this bare-bones bruiser, and if you'd dare to take it for a ride. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorcycle madness.